Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi if you don't see the Wi-Fi right here. Because a lot of the time that I run into the problem because of the Norton virus blocking it. So if you click on the reference here, you don't see no Wi-Fi. Okay? And there's no way you're going to access the internet without a Wi-Fi. So I bet you a lot of people are running into this problem. And I find it interesting to share it with you guys. So if you have a problem just like me, you can fix it very easily. Alright, first we go into the network preference, right? This is the only thing that's running, but there's no network. Okay, so in this case, what are you gonna do? It's very simple. You look down here, there's a plus sign right here, right? You click on it, and then you see the interface and a service name right here. Just click on the Thunderbolt bridge, and you'll see the Wi-Fi right here. You click on the Wi-Fi, and then you can name your Wi-Fi whatever you want to be, but I just leave it the way it is, and then hit create. So what happened is you already create the Wi-Fi, and now you turn it on. It says switch power caused the unsaved chain to be lost. That's okay. You just hit apply. Right? So now obviously the network is running right now. It's the Wi-Fi connected to, and you can see right here. Now before you go back to the internet, you just remove this for now by hitting the minus sign. That's the one that's blocking you. Hit apply. Now let's see if we have the internet. Here it is. We got the internet. There. It's working. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.